Hey everyone, it's Steph, and today I'm here to talk about how to pack for conventions. If you've never been to a convention before, then hopefully this video should be pretty useful in keeping you prepared for what you need to bring, and if you have been to a convention before, then hopefully you should have everything that I'm mentioning. When you're packing for a convention, I believe there are about 4 broad categories of things that I believe you should pack. First is clothes, second is toiletries, third is the miscellaneous catch-all category, and fourth is going to be food. So obviously the first thing, clothes, is pretty self-explanatory. If you're heading to a convention, it's a good idea to bring a change of clothes. A lot of this depends on how long you'll be attending the convention for, of course. Pajamas, your undergarments, socks, stuff like that. Make sure to pack enough for all the days that you're going to be attending as well. And if you're a cosplayer, make sure to double check that you aren't forgetting anything like wigs, shoes, or any parts of your cosplay as well. Second on the list is toiletries. So this is generally going to include things that you use in the bathroom: deodorant, shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, your toothbrush, and things like that. And you may even want to consider bringing your own towels or face towels, especially if you're fitting a couple extra people in your room. Deodorant or perfume is also something that a lot of people really want to push for because of the infamous con funk. Conventions are places where large packs of people are grouped together, so if you're not taking care of yourself, people will begin to notice, especially if you're staying for the weekend. So the third category is the catch-all category. It's the miscellaneous, but generally this is going to be your chargers. If you have a lot of people in the room, again, power outlets are a good idea. If you think you're going to have a lot of trash, I think it's a good idea to bring your own trash bags as well. And then if you have any cash on hand, it's a good idea to bring that. Cash in general is something that I think can be pretty wise to bring to conventions. In this day and age, I believe most vendors at conventions usually have some sort of card reader attachment for their phone, so you should be covered in that regard, but it doesn't hurt to bring emergency cash anyways. Last but not least, the fourth category is food. If you're attending the convention for more than a day, I would say it's a pretty good idea to bring food, especially if you're attending a convention for a whole weekend. Food is definitely something that I would highly recommend stocking up on for your hotel room. The number one thing that you want to make sure that you have stocked in your room is water, of course. It's a pretty essential idea to stay hydrated at a convention all day, and conventions can be kind of hectic with everything going on that you might forget to take care of yourself. So it's always better to have a water bottle that you're carrying around with you than to have to run around finding someplace that sells water bottles or looking for a water fountain or something like that. The same thing goes for food. In my experience, most people don't do a very good job of feeding themselves at conventions, so it's always a good idea to pack granola bars and little snack things like that in your hotel room to bring to the convention so that you can eat them throughout the day. A lot of this is also because conventions these days, while they are tending to start selling food on convention grounds, a lot of it tends to be a little bit overpriced, so you'll be saving some money in the long run. Additionally, if you and your hotel roommates decide that you don't want to go out for dinner, it's always nice to have some snacks to eat in your room, as well as for breakfast. It helps because you can just snack on some things while you're starting to get ready for the day. This case for food also especially applies if you have any sort of dietary restrictions, like if you have some sort of lactose or glucose allergy or something. It's always a good idea to bring your own food because unless you do some research beforehand on the location of the convention, you're not going to know what food is available around the convention center. Those are the 4 categories of things that I think are essential for packing at a convention. I would tell you specifically, but this does change from person to person. Just remember the 4 categories: clothing, toiletries, any sort of etc. items like chargers and money, and the 4th thing, of course, food. Hopefully this list provides a good outline and framework for those of you that have no idea what to bring to a convention. Hopefully if you have been to a convention, you are bringing things from these categories. If you guys did find this video useful, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Next time I'll be talking about what to actually expect when you go to a convention, such as what there is to do, what there is to see. And if you guys have any additional comments or suggestions, make sure to leave it in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.